Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and I'm so excited to kick off a brand new series that's going to make building with WordPress blocks way easier, whether you're just starting out or you're ready to level up your skills. This series is all about the Block Developer Cookbook, an amazing collection of practical, bite-sized recipes that show you exactly how to create, customize, and extend WordPress blocks. I've actually presented the Block Developer Cookbook workshop at conferences all over the world, and it's been incredible seeing how much it helps developers connect the dots. And now I'm bringing it here to YouTube, so you can learn at your own pace wherever you are. Each week, I'll take one recipe from the cookbook and break it down step by step. We'll go over what it does, why you might need it, and how to use it in your own projects. Short, sweet, and super hands-on. By the end of this series, you'll have built up a solid toolkit of block development techniques with real examples you can actually use. So if you're excited to make WordPress blocks without the guesswork, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss an episode, and drop a comment if there's a specific recipe you want me to cover. I'll also link to the Block Developer Cookbook down below so you can follow along or jump ahead whenever you want. All right, ready to cook up some awesome blocks? Let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.